let's go. Well, welcome back to another vlog. Today is probably day 6 of the vlog maybe, and it's a kind of a happy sad day. It's a happy day. Let me check this. It's a happy day because it's my 10th anniversary with my beautiful wife. It's a sad day because I know you didn't see the whole code. I am preparing to go back to work for 2 weeks. So what I have to do is clean out the old, clean out the excursion. Because, you know, I have, I don't know, let me just show you. All this. And what that is 24 hours of drive time garbage. Step 1 is complete. And now I have to clean out the back. I got a step ladder. That's my travel box. But I got all these tools from that job that I did yesterday. So I need to get all those out. Then I have all this pallet wood. I was supposed to make a bar for the pool. And we decided we're going to travel, so we don't need a bar anymore. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I don't know, I'll do something with it. So let's clean up the back. Alright, so I got most of the truck cleaned out, ready to pack up and head out tomorrow. But tonight is our anniversary dinner. We're taking the kids to Orlando, and we're going to be going to the Sugar Factory, and we'll be making a Bennett's World video at the Sugar Factory. So there's not going to be a lot more to this vlog. I wanted to include a lot more into it, but my neighbor decided to come over and have a 30-minute conversation when I only had 20 minutes to spare. Wanted to talk about politics and world happenings and everything else. He's an older gentleman, super nice. He's a migrant from Argentina who's done very well for himself in this country. So I like to get knowledge from him. I like to talk to him. Anyway, I'm gonna try to finish cleaning this desk off, and then we're gonna load up and we're gonna be headed to the Sugar Factory. We're here, we made it to the Sugar Factory, and now I've got to shut this camera down. That'll be the end of my vlog for today. I am now switching to the cameraman for Bennett's World.